Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my name is Rani Rahmawati, and today I would like to present about academic life for teachers. Teachers have many very important role in education because they do not only teach students, but they also guide, motivate, and support them in the learning process. For example, a teacher can help students understand difficult lessons and encourage them to achieve their goal in the school. So here, that is discuss about academic life for teachers. Academic life for teachers refers to teachers' daily responsibilities in education. It includes teaching, guiding students, and professional development. In this slide, tell us about academic life for teachers. And it includes teaching, guiding students, and professional development. Teachers spend their time preparing lessons, explaining material, and helping students when the student feels difficulties. So, for example, before entering the classroom, the teacher usually prepares teaching materials and learning activities to make the lesson easier to understand. So this is the next slide. Learning activities. The first point is teachers explain lessons and give assignments. Teachers prepare lesson plans and learning materials. So teachers create quizzes and presentation. One important part of academic life for teachers is learning activities. Why? Because teachers explain lesson, give assignment, prepare lesson plans, and create quizzes or presentation. For example, an English teacher may explain grammar lesson. Example, it is talking about past simple. So the teachers to ask to the students to make a conversation use past simple, and later give homework to improve their speaking skills. Teachers may also use PowerPoint presentation to make the class more interesting and interactive. And here the next slide about social interaction. The first point is interaction with students. Teachers guide and motivate students. Teachers help students solve learning difficulties. Teachers also interact closely with students. The students, it can be our child or maybe our friend, if the student want to sharing with us. So the teacher to guide and motivate students, especially when students face learning difficulties. For example, if a student cannot understand a mathematics lesson, the teacher may explain it again in a simple way in order the student more understand about that. This interaction helps students feel more confident and support in their studies. So here about the professional development. Teachers join seminars and workshops. So the second is teachers learn new teaching methods and technologies. In this slide, teachers continue learning to improve their teaching skill through seminars, workshops, and training programs. Yeah, we are a teacher, but we are not only teach in the school. Of course, we have many another work. Now, in professional development days, the teacher should improve their teaching skill. Why? Because with new teaching method and technologies to create better learning experience for the student. And then why we should to improve our skill too in teaching? Because in digital era now, there is AI or maybe Gemini that student can search a material from that application. Now, why we are as a teacher should to improve again our teaching? Because we can make more interactive learning in the class in order the student not feel bored too. So the teacher too may join a digital learning workshop, then use application like Canva or Microsoft PowerPoint to create creative presentation and educational materials. Because in Canva now is very much like template for learning. Yeah, the student, in my experience, the student is more spirit or more focused with material. If we are give a new material that like PowerPoint or story, because they are very interesting about that. Not only just teaching and assignment. Yeah, that's why in here in professional development too very important for teacher. Yeah, to improve our skills. So the next slide. This is about challenge. Don't worry about anything teaching. Yeah. But in teachers too, in teaching too, the teacher, of course, there are many challenges. Yeah, sometimes we are feeling like down or anything else. Yeah, but these are challenges for teacher. The first is teachers manage many responsibilities. So teachers face stress from teaching and administrative work. In this slide, is about challenges. An academic life for teachers is not always easy. Why? Because the teacher's management many responsibilities such as teaching, checking assignments, preparing materials, and handling administrative work. For example, after teaching in class, teachers may still need to grade students' tests and prepare lessons for the next day. Because of these responsibilities, teachers can sometimes feel tired or stressed. That's why, for me, in my experience, if I feel stressed with my work, maybe after teaching, so there is a student's problem to, maybe I can rest myself, in my house. So maybe I drink coffee or maybe eat what that I like, the food that I like to lose it my stress. In other, tomorrow we are meeting with our student again, it's already not tired again. Yeah. So this is the next slide. This is the conclusion. Teachers play an important role in education. So the second is academic life helps teachers grow professionally. So in our discussion today, in my presentation today, in conclusion, teachers play an important role in education. Teachers are responsible for guiding students, preparing lessons, and improving their own skills. For example, through their dedication and hard work, teachers help students gain knowledge, confidence, and motivation for the future. Thank you very much for your kind attention, and I hope this presentation helped you to understand more about academic life for teachers. I'm sorry if there are many mistakes in my speaking and my slide. Thank you for your kind attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.